PHS News Today for Friday, February 8th. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to paleymedia@paley.k12.ion.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Feed Friday. We will show you a social media post and you have to tell us who posted it. Here's the post. Post-prom parents will be selling pizza again on Tuesday, February 12th. Pizza will be $2 per slice. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. And now to Audrey with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Tonight, boys JV and varsity basketball will be at Orleans starting at 6. The theme for the game is neon. Timmy Burton and JD Beavers will be at Semi-State for wrestling this Saturday at Ford Center in Evansville. Come support your Rams in action this weekend. Back to you, Joni.
And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
So as we go through your day today, there is a slight chance of rain as we head into your weekend. We could see some higher chances as we head into your weekend. For your weather today, there's a high of 26 and a low of 14. Heading into your weekend on Saturday, high of 36 and a low of 25, and on Sunday, high of 39 and a low of 34. Back to you.
Congratulations to Parker Sullivan for winning today's trivia question. The answer is Harley Bush. Stay tuned for more Trivia Monday. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.